Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 299, Liquid Raw Tag. A liquid statement starts with either two curly braces, or a curly brace followed by a percent sign. If you have code that looks like that, the Power Pages site will automatically interpret that as liquid. But what if we have code that looks like that shouldn't be considered liquid? This is where the raw tag comes in. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The raw tag tells the Power Pages code not to interpret or execute any of the code within it as liquid. Instead, anything within the raw tag will be output just as it is. You might be wondering when this would be helpful. An obvious example would be if you wanted to provide examples of liquid code for users to see. In that case, you don't want the liquid code executed, you want it displayed just like that on the page. However, this is probably not useful for most sites. An example that you are more likely to run into in the real world would be if you are using another templating language that shares the same curly brace syntax as Liquid. Handlebars, for example, is a JavaScript templating language, and it is used in Power Pages. Check out the web templates associated with a faceted search. Here, you'll see the use of the raw tag in order to output handlebars markup, which uses the two curly braces syntax. Since handlebars is a client-side templating language, we want that markup just as it is to be sent to the browser, without any processing as if it was liquid. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 299 on Liquid Raw Tag useful.